Hello friends, welcome to Top Club Shopping. Today we will make instant peda from milk powder. Friends, this is very tasty and healthy as it is made at home. I have mentioned the ingredients. We will require pure ghee 2 tablespoons, milk powder 1 cup, milk half cup and cardamom powder 1 teaspoon. To understand the complete procedure in detail, please watch the video till the end. Thank you so much. Keep watching. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the recipe, please subscribe to my channel Top Club Shopping and keep watching for more such interesting recipes. Thank you so much.